Eventually we have committed to stay together. So now we're just being together. Now for being together, if I have to be here, I will be here because I am with her, she is with me. Whatever we do, so it's very simple. So but we could survive that. Point is that.
Absolutely. Did that give you strength, the kind of support that he had, and also the family, because the family also stood by you? I of course I know your mother, who's like my mother too, and she's also gone through a lot.
I mean हर चीज में, क्योंकि मैं ट्रबल में थी, मेरी मम्मा मुझसे ज्यादा थी शायद.
Absolutely.
और मैंने दोनों की फैमिलीज को देखा.
No, but she had that relationship thing also. Mine, Vicky को भी कुछ problem. She was so protective about me all the while.
और मम्मा बहुत क्लियर थी कि तेरा लॉस नहीं करना है अब तेरे को. You understand?
लॉस मतलब nothing lost for her. The point is that कि यार अब जो फैमिली है, अब पहले उसको प्रायोरिटी देनी है. जब वो थी तब तुमने उसमें दिया, आज तुम इधर दो.
My father-in-law called me and he just said it's okay, we are with you. That was something which was very important at that
because
moment for me to have that.
I don't know why.
विक्की से ज्यादा मुझे लगा पापा ने जब मुझे कॉल किया तो मुझे एक कंफर्ट मिला, क्योंकि पापा एक ऐसे इंसान है घर में जिनको हम सब बहुत मानते हैं, क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स, बट जब वो कह देते हैं ना तो एक लगता है कि यार सच में आपके पास, जैसे मैंने पहले ही बोला कि उनका हाथ जब सर पे रहता है बेटा का, यू फील दैट. पर उस मोमेंट पे जब पापा ने मेरे को बोला ना तो आई गॉट दैट थिंग कि नो, आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग रॉन्ग, आई एम टेकिंग केयर ऑफ बोथ द फैमिलीज नाइसली. मेरे घर वाले भी, ये भी और बाकी भी, मुझे सबको बैलेंस करके चलना था. और मेरे लिए वो भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था, क्योंकि देयर वर थिंग्स व्हिच आई वांटेड टू शेयर एंड ही टोल्ड मी वेरी क्लियरली, इफ यू हैव एनीथिंग यू वांट टू शेयर, go ahead and do that. Don't hesitate.
And do it also. Like it's not important that you have to call me, ask me. Just discuss if you're confused, because it should not backfire you in any way.
Because मुझे लगता था कहीं मैं किसी को गलती से hurt ना कर दूँ. मुझे हमेशा ये लगता था, but मुझे वो कभी मौका ही नहीं मिला विक्की से. Always he was just next to me and he was like, do it. Always.
I'm there, do it. That's what I've committed for. I'm there.
Vicky is like that. Vicky will always support me for whatever I do in my life, and he gives me that strength. I feel proud that he's my husband. It's not just Ankita Lokhande's husband. I am Vicky Jain's wife.
पार्टी में वो पार्टी थी ना, मैं समझ गया था लड़की फुल.
अब ये बता, ये तो मैं आंटी की तरफ से भी पूछ रहा हूँ. Okay, behind the camera, I think. Is there a plan to extend the family? Like, is there?
I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant. ये सब बोल रही है. कल को ये ना काट के अगर लोगों ने डाला तो मेरे को मत बोलना.
नहीं, I'm not. But yeah, of course, there will be a time when we want to extend a family, and you will become a mama, and we'll let you know that.
And we'll have a great function.
Again?
We'll have a great function. बच्चों का नामकरण.
3 days function.
My kids are going to enjoy each and every day of their life. I will make sure that.
That's true.
But yes, we will. We would love to have kids, and yeah.
We definitely believe in this thing, and that will definitely happen, and it has to happen.
It will.
हम बताएंगे फोन करके.
Of course.
Bollywood bubble.
And then excuse me, Bollywood bubble को तो नहीं बताएगी, तो पहले मुझे फोन करेगी, बोलेगी ये एक चीज बतानी है जो कहीं आना नहीं चाहिए.
Shit, it happened.
But I think Ankita, when you become a mother, will there be any change, or you will be this crazy person?
Ask him also, no? He's also like that, no?
He's not so crazy. He's got a little balanced kind of
composure.
Hey, he's a little more composed than you and me, bro. That's a fact.
I will be like you.
You will be like this only.
Any change in me from then?
No.
To this?
2015.
But I feel the kids are going to enjoy their
will.
mother. They are going to love such a joker mother.
Joker mother.
Joker mother बोला.
What यार, मेरे बच्चे देखेंगे फ्यूचर में यार, ऐसे कुछ मत बोलो.
Such a joke she is to live with.
ये तो रहेगा नहीं ना, तो फिर मैं देख लूंगी अपने बच्चों को. मतलब ये तो बिलासपुर रहता है.
मैं तो बॉर्डर संदेशे आते हैं. मैं तो पता नहीं कहाँ हूँ.
Kids are something भाई साहब.
उनको सब पता होता है, but मेरे बच्चे हमेशा मेरी तरफ रहेंगे. You will see that.
ये देखो, ये ना रिश्ता कंपटीशन ही रह जाएगा. ये रिश्ता नहीं है, पर स्पर्धा लगती है, स्पर्धा.
But I have to tell you something before I tell something about Ankita, that I think you are the most beautiful addition to her life and ours. Okay, and I say this with a lot of मतलब ये ना लोगों को लगेगा कि मतलब ये है, at least with you लोगों को शायद ना लगे कि मैं कुछ बना के बोल रहा हूँ, because जब से मैं अंकिता को जानता हूँ, Ankita has always been a happy person, happy go lucky person, but I think Ankita is at her happiest, safest, most comfortable, best
Yes.
life right now, you know, in life right now, and that's only because of you. And उससे ज़्यादा एक दोस्त को कभी कुछ होता नहीं है. And the fact that you love us so much and you are always so welcoming makes it only better. And about you, Ankita,
Yes, please.
I don't want to get emotional, but I just want to tell you that you will always mean a lot more than everybody else to me.
Aw.